Welcome everybody. My name is Allie Sparks and I'm a registered dietitian with Blue Cross of Idaho. And today we're going to learn how to cut an onion in a safe and effective way. The very first thing that we're going to do is make sure that our cutting board is secure. And to do that, I have just taken a wet paper towel and I put it down exactly where I'm going to put my cutting board. Put my cutting board on top and now my cutting board doesn't move. All right. So one of the key things about cutting, especially something like an onion that's circular, is that we want to make sure that our knife is as sharp as we can make it. A sharp knife is a safe knife. So we are going to start by looking and making sure which end is the root. So we've got a root over here and we're going to cut directly through the middle. All right, and I am going to make sure that my root end is in the back, and I will cut off just the very tip, and I'm going to make sure that I peel off this fine skin. Sometimes you get the first layer of the onion with it, and that's okay. All right, so from here, I'm going to start by going horizontal, and then I'm going to go vertical. But the thing that I want to make sure of is that my fingers are safe. So I'm going to make sure that I hold the onion kind of like a claw, so that if I ever do go down, I scrape my knuckles instead of my fingertips. So we're going to hold it and go straight in, let the knife do the work. All right, and then we're going to come straight down. Again, making sure that your fingers are in that claw so that you can't cut your fingertips. Again, we're letting the knife do all the work. All right, and from here, we'll get any little pieces out of the way. And again, holding the onion with that claw, we're gonna come straight down, letting the knife do all of the work. If pieces get in your way, we can always pull those off if we need to and cut them later. And you'll see that everything is just about the same size, which is exactly what we want, because we want to make sure that everything cooks at the same rate. Okay. All right, and there we have it, how to cut an onion in a safe and effective way. Make sure that you follow Blue Cross of Idaho on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, and be sure to comment with what you want to see next on the show. We'll see you next time.